Homonyms. This term can refer to words that are either homophones or homographs. For example, bat, the flying mammal, and bat, the sports equipment, are homonyms because they share the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meanings.
Address, location, or to speak to. Band, musical group or ring. Bat, sports equipment or flying mammal. Match, contest or to pair. Mean, average or unkind. Right, correct or direction. Ring, jewelry or to sound. Rock, stone or to sway. Rose, flower or past tense of rise. Spring, season or coiled metal. Stalk, plant part or to follow. Well, water source or in good health. Clip, to cut or fastening device. Date, calendar day or romantic outing. Drop, to fall or small amount. Fly, insect or to move through air. Letter, male or alphabet character. Palm, hand part or tree. Park, recreational area or to leave a vehicle. Point, to indicate or sharp end. Bark, dog sound or tree covering. Bank, financial institution or river edge. Fair, just or carnival. Pen, writing tool or animal enclosure. Pound, weight unit or to beat. Current, up to date or water flow. Express, fast or to convey. Jag, sharp protrusion or crying spree. Kind, type or caring. Lie, to recline or falsehood. Quarry, mining site or to extract. Ream, paper quantity or to extract juice. Tender, gentle or money offer. Tire, wheel part or to fatigue. Book, reading material or to reserve. Deal, transaction or to distribute. Dough, baking ingredient or money. Egg, food or to encourage. Habits, clothing or repeated behaviors. Jerk, sudden movement or rude person. Trip, journey or to stumble. Nail, body part or fastener. Sink, to descend or kitchen fixture. Duck, bird or to lower head. Jam, fruit spread or traffic congestion. Close, nearby or to shut. Can, ability or metal container. Tear or tear, eye moisture or to rip. Bar, legal profession or drinking establishment. Grave, burial site or serious. Cool, temperature or impressive. What, question word or something. Watch, to observe or timepiece. Ruler, measuring tool or leader. Tie, to fasten or neck accessory. Tail, body part or to follow. Wave, ocean motion or to gesture. Fort, military building. Foul, offensive, rude violation. Fowl, birds. Groan, deep sound. Grown, fully developed. Holy, sacred. Holy, entirely. Hour, time period. Hour, possessive pronoun. Know, to understand. No, negative response. Links, golf course or connections. Lynx, a wild cat. Mail, postal system. Male, gender. Meet, to encounter. Ad, advertisement. Add, to sum up. Ale, to trouble. Ale, beer. Air, atmosphere. Heir, inheritor. All, everything. All, tool. Allowed, permitted. Allowed, audibly. Alms, charity. Arms, body parts. Altar, religious table. Alter, to change. Ant, insect. Ant, relative. Arc, curve. Arc, boat. 8, past tense of eat. 8, number. Augur, tool. Augur, to predict. Aural, related to hearing. Oral, spoken. Bays, fabric. Bays, inlets. Bald, hairless.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.